Alright guys, so today I have another quick tip video for you, and this is for the AirTag. So if you need to replace the battery in your AirTag, it's really simple. I'm going to show you guys how to do it in less than 60 seconds. You do want to make sure you have the right replaceable battery for that, so you need a 2032 flat battery. And basically to open up the AirTag, you basically take your two thumbs, press down, turn counterclockwise, and the cap pops right off. There you got the battery right there, so you pop that one out, put the new one in, make sure it's facing down so you can see the number on the back side. And then you put this back on top, but you want to hold it down for a few seconds, like so. There you go. You hear a little chime. That's a beep letting you know it has connected. You rotate it, and then that is it. It's back and fully charged up, ready to go with a brand new battery. It should show up in your Find My app on your iOS device, and that's it. If you guys have any questions or problems, post them down below in the comment section, and I'll get back to you guys as quickly as possible. If you want to check out some of my other videos, you can click on my 2 other clips here, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick tips like this. I'll see you guys in the next video.